Sinjui says, "Yay, another one!" Yep, another one of these guys. I'm really enjoying them. So fun, so fun. That's why I picked these guys up. They're awesome. I love the little stickers that are not really meant for the characters, but are just, a ton of fun. Like the 3D glasses and everything. They're awesome. Alright, so this is another addition to Marvel Week, and let's just get right into it. If you haven't seen it, it is just a DIY kit with a whole bunch of stickers and an accessory, and you get Hulk, Captain America, Thor, Iron Man, Venom, Wolverine, Spider-Man, and Dot. So far we have Venom, Dot, and the Hulk. Which one will we get today? I have no idea. And I hope I don't get doubles, because I got these like all together. So there's that. If it is a double, I'll open another one. I don't mind. Where's the opening? Here it is. Okay, we will know by the color. Like a look at the accessory. So we have a red one. It's gonna be either an Iron Man or Spider-Man. Here we go. Accessory is a briefcase. Okay, I'm not really sure which one this is now. Gotcha. It's Iron Man. Alright. So this will be pretty fun. I'll put some of the regular stickers on him first, and then put on the weirder ones later, like this. Pretty spiffy. Pretty spiffy. Kinda like this. There's a lot of these wrapping stickers, which are kind of annoying, especially over time it's gonna start peeling off. But they're kinda nice. I gotta say, it gives it a little more depth than what a plain just money looks like. And I kinda noticed, if you didn't have the helmet on him and everything else, you kind of looked like Magneto. I don't know, it's just in my mind. When everything else was off and it was just the face. That just popped in my head. I don't know why. I didn't give him his accessory yet. It doesn't have a sticker for it. So, I mean, all it is just like a white box that has a handle on it. I don't know. It doesn't really look like a briefcase. I don't know. It's a little weird as an accessory. Let's just pop it in his hands. And there you go. Oh no. Alright. This accessory does not like to be held. Struggle, struggle. Okay, there it is. Now I can't really hold it and stand. So I guess he's gonna be like that. Still looks pretty good. There's no paint on it, unfortunately. Or any, stickers for it. Maybe. Let's check this out. Okay. So there is stickers for it. It's right there. So I guess it's for the funny one. Let's just put some of these on, and I'll be right back. So we got most of the stickers on him. Unfortunately, I don't know what this is. It's like just a piece with like some rivets on it. Where would it go? I don't know. Do you guys know? Because it's kind of weird. Maybe on this? No. Yeah, unfortunately, I have no idea what that is for. So, we're just gonna leave it out. Alright, here it is. So, this is kind of like a hybrid of Iron Man and Tony Stark at the same time. Apparently, he has a little tux on with bow tie, and you can see his arc reactor on the inside. You got a back pocket with a wallet on a chain. Here is a insert batteries here with a tiny little screw. And all you older people, you should know what this is. It's a beeper. It says "What's up?" Or at least I think it's a beeper. Could be a phone. I don't know. Might be for this. Not really sure either. So, as for the accessory, we have a bag, and it says "I love Stark Industries" on the front, and on the back it's just some wear and tear, and that's it. So pretty nifty. I kind of like it. The main Iron Man itself with his helmet up is pretty cool. Let's see how it looks when it's just a helmet. And by the way, these tear really easily, so be careful with that. Let's see how that looks. I already got a tear right there. My bad. Okay. How's that? Pretty nice? I don't know. Looks kind of weird to me. I mean, especially with all these little accessories there and there. But pretty good. Okay. Having a little too much fun with this. So, here it is once again. The Munny World Micro. I'm in love with these. I think there was a new series that came out. It had War Machine and some other characters in it. And some like revamps of I think Hulk and someone else. So I might pick this up because I really enjoy these, and this will be pretty fun to like customize, paint up. Yep. So I am this enjoy. Bye bye.